Hello and welcome back to the channel. I just thought I would show you how you do it's an inspection and an oil light reset on your Skoda Fabia, but this will be exactly the same for a Volkswagen Polo and a Seat Ibiza from the years about 1999 to 2007. It'll probably work on various other different VAG vehicles as well. So you'll see the little spanners on down there in the bottom corner, and also it says inspection. They will sometimes say oil, it just depends as and when they've been reset, but you can do both at the same time. So you just simply switch the ignition off, keep the button held in, switch the ignition on, release, and turn to the right. And there you go. See the little dots? And then you just simply release. Now it'll be saying oil. Do the same thing. Turn to the right. Then let go, push in, and also turn to the right. You just got to give it a few seconds. There you go, you see. The dash has come on. Release. Spanner's gone. Key out, key back in, all done. Simple as that. If you'd like to see any more videos like this, like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye.